The JLab Rewind headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the JLab Rewind Wireless Retro headphones. If you grew up in the 80s and 90s, this style should bring back some memories of the Sony Walkman days. JLab is bringing the retro look with today's technology. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get a user guide, a micro USB cable for charging, and extra black ear cushions. The Rewind headphones have the following features: 12 hours of listening time, 2 hours to fully charge, 10 minutes of charge will give you 1.5 hours of playtime, Bluetooth 5.0, has a button for control, micro USB for charging, and 3 EQ settings. The headphones are very light, as you would expect from the simplistic design. The ear cushions are pretty soft, and you can see the left and right ear indicator etched in on each side. The headband is metal and thin, and is lined with the wire that connects each of the speakers inside. On the right side, you can see the JLab branding, and this side also has the button for controls. The left side of the headphones has the logo on the outside, and there is no button on this side. Removing the ear cushions is easy, and you can change the colors depending on your preferences. Lifting the right side cushion, you will see the status LED along with the micro USB port for charging. It has a fairly good amount of travel on each side, so this should have no issues fitting larger heads. As mentioned earlier, the right side has the button to control the headphones. Press once for play, pause, answer, end call. Press 2 times for voice assistant. Press 3 times to toggle the EQ settings, which has the JLab signature for amplified vocals and bass, balanced, which has an even sound with no enhancement, and bass boost, which has amplified bass and sub bass. Hold down for 3 seconds for track forward and to turn on, and hold down for 4 seconds to turn off. The headphones weigh in at roughly 58 grams. And now here is a quick sound sample. You won't really appreciate the sound unless you are wearing them. I have them pointed towards my Sennheiser microphone. And now a sample of the microphone. This is a test of the JLab Rewind microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Using it to watch videos, it performed well and had good range. I didn't experience any latency or disconnects. So here are my final thoughts on these headphones. And I always start off by saying that sound can be subjective and everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. They were extremely comfortable and it fits well. It is very light and you don't feel that you have them on at times. The cushions are decent and provide enough padding. Build quality is good and it feels durable for its simplistic and basic design. It's easy to control and it's very responsive. When it comes to the sound, I have to say that these really deliver. Lows were very good and it had enough bass. And it was not overblown. Mids and highs were very clear and clean. Having the 3 EQ settings is definitely a plus, as you can adjust it depending on your listening preferences. For the price of under $20, this is a must-have in my opinion. It can rival headphones priced twice as much. It is very light and portable, and you can take it on the go. The retro design will definitely separate you from the rest and still deliver on the listening experience. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.